Hi everyone, my name's Jennifer Cross. I'm here with Dixie Andelin Forsyth and Dr. Robert Forsyth, and we are continuing our conversation on femininity and specifically worthy character, modesty, and the seductive look versus femininity. Where do you find the balance? So go ahead.
You want to talk first?
Go ahead. I'll slip in here. I think you've got a lot to say.
Well, I think that most women, when they dress, unless they would like to be attractive to men, single women, but even married women, we want to feel attractive, even if we're not trying to attract somebody other than our husband. We want to feel pretty and attractive, but particularly single women, I find a lot of them misunderstand and confuse looking seductive with looking feminine, because men don't really dress like that to look seductive. So it is female, and there's appropriate time to be that way. It's when you're with your husband in the bedroom. I mean, it's perfectly a good thing then, but I look at it kind of like the way you dress or you present yourself. You can be seductive and dress with really low cut stuff and bare midriffs and tight short skirts and short shorts.
Show a lot of skin
And a lot of really tight things. But then there's a classy look too, and a beautiful feminine look too. But it's something that I think shows your self-esteem, how you dress and how you present yourself and what you think of yourself. And if you dress seductively, it's another thing that is high risk behavior, because you may attract a few. It's like fishing. You want to get the kind of fish you want. You may want a nice swordfish or a salmon or something, but you probably don't want a big jellyfish. And and it's not that you won't get any jellyfish with this other kind of dress, but it's a lot lower chance of you attracting those guys, because you're saying, I'm a person who has good self-esteem, and you can't have me for nothing. I don't give myself away for free.
Oh, I like that so much.
I was just going to say that I think when I see a woman who's maybe showing a lot of skin or trying to be so voluptuous that she's getting, just a ton of attention, it almost feels to me like maybe she's trying a little too hard, and she wants to compensate for wondering if she has anything to offer other than maybe her looks and
right.
Some sort of flashy attention-seeking clothing or whatever.
And women have so much more to offer than that, because we can be fascinating and beautiful even when we're 80 years old. We don't have to go to that look to achieve it. And it's just one tiny element of you. It's not even the best part.
How would you suggest a woman find that balance for herself? Is that something she would ask her husband about, or girlfriends, or is there a guideline? Or
to me, there's extremes. I guess on the one hand, we have the extreme of just overly exposing yourself.
Sort of like the prostitute look. We all know what that looks like.
Or maybe on the other end, maybe way too frumpy.
Somebody who wears high neck dresses and nothing, it's completely loose, and and then there's pizza clothes, which we'll get into. Yeah. So we don't. There's extremes, like you said.
But I think maybe there's some balance in between, and I think I know Dixie likes to dress a lot for me. So she wants to look attractive, and I encourage her to do that. I don't think there's anything wrong with her doing that. It's just that I want her to be modest about it, and not look like she has only one aspect of her that's valuable or might be interesting to others. Because I think if you put too much emphasis on maybe some flashy, voluptuous appearance, it distracts from somebody recognizing or seeing more of you than just that. It's so in your face.
Well, your femininity, your character, your compassion for other people, it can be very distracting.
Yeah. And I keep thinking of the chapter on worthy character, and that's what you want to be exemplified in how you dress and behave. So
and again, that doesn't mean you have to dress like pioneer, from bygone days, but because there's a lot of beautiful clothes.
True.
There's a lot of classy looks that you can have, and I think the more you develop your femininity and your character, the more you will kind of be drawn to that look and understand that being seductive is appropriate for private moments that you have, but not for public consumption.
Oh, I like that. All right, well, let's end on that note. And I forgot to say that this is our feminine moment.
Oh yeah.
Featuring Dr. Bob Forsyth here in our feminine moment to get the male aspect. But it's
I love it because
it's great.
Yeah, because this is great because he can when he's available, he'll do this for us. So.
We so appreciate it. It really gives us a balanced look at what we're trying to learn. So thanks so much for your time. Thank you everybody for watching, and please comment below, like and share, and let us know if you would like us to answer any more of your questions. Bye-bye.
Bye.